The eye. It's an amazing thing. Connected to the brain through the optic nerve, most people have seen the eye as simply used to see the world around us. In recent years, however, science has come to understand that the eye is so much more than that, as it even contains a record of the changes happening within our body. Chronic diseases such as diabetes and Alzheimer's disease have left telltale markers as the disease progresses. By studying subtle variations in the amount and distribution of these markers, the early detection and monitoring of these and other disease states is made possible. At Occuity, we're developing innovative technology covered by multiple patents to do just this. By safely shining a low power beam of light into the eye and analysing the light that comes back out, our products ultimately seek to replace invasive blood tests with a simple scan of the eye.
We've come a long way since the company was founded in 2019. We've established a strong leadership group with the experience required to commercialise the technology, coupled with an engineering team highly skilled in optics, electronic engineering and product design. Occuity's mission is to develop new and innovative technologies to address some of the world's greatest healthcare challenges, such as diabetes and Alzheimer's.
For almost 3 decades, I was one in a small team of industrial designers at Apple, here in California, responsible for the iconic products recognized and used by billions of people all over the world. Now, heading up design at Occuity, I'm convinced that the amazing products we're creating can become just as iconic in the healthcare sector. For too long now, the way in which we discover and monitor chronic diseases like diabetes has been rooted in repetitive blood testing with all the discomfort and inconvenience that brings. In contrast, our discreet, handheld products will simply scan the eye to take a measurement and provide a pain-free 21st century solution that's long overdue.
We're developing products for 3 distinct market areas: ophthalmology, disease screening, and diabetes monitoring. Combined, we estimate that these markets are worth over $35 billion per year. Due to the global nature of the disease and the hundreds of millions of people affected, diabetes is a problem that is of particular interest to us. We're developing products that aim to enable earlier diagnosis of the condition and, crucially, deliver a non-contacting, pain-free glucose monitor. The Occuity Indigo, a meter with the potential to disrupt a market currently dominated by invasive and painful fingerstick tests. The first product will be our handheld non-contact pachymeter, a device for use by opticians and ophthalmologists for measuring the corneal thickness within the eye. Discussions with distributors are ongoing, and we've received the first major letter of intent for 4,000 units worth a potential £6.75 million. Key to our strategy, we intend for these early revenues to allow us to break even by mid-2022.
Birmingham Optical is one of the UK's leading independent ophthalmic distributors, and we've got great connections with most of the major UK chains, including Specsavers and Vision Express. Knowing just how well a handheld, non-contact pachymeter will be received by our customers has allowed us to confidently forecast the 4,000 sales in our letter of intent, and we're really excited to be involved.
The funds we're raising will be used to drive early revenues by investing in the sales, marketing, production and distribution of the pachymeter. Simultaneously, we will advance the technology and the IP of our disease screening and glucose monitoring products. It is intended that the funding in this round will be sufficient for Occuity to become self-financing. We forecast this will lead to significant sales in the first 12 months and ongoing sales from then on. So join us now and be part of our journey to improve the lives of hundreds of millions of people.